to our kitchen.
Siblings cooking together.
I'm Delmy.
I'm Edgar. Today I think we're making arroz con leche.
Arroz con leche.
Wow, nice.
Yep. I have about a cup and a half here of jasmine rice. I like to use jasmine rice. And a bit stick of cinnamon, some cranberries. This time we're gonna change it a little bit. We're gonna use coconut milk, and then the usual evaporated milk, and then the sweet condensed milk.
Fantastic.
Okay,
Oh, that looks amazing.
Yeah.
This is gonna be a first for me. Never tried that.
Pick it up another flavor.
Yeah.
What if we like it a lot? You never know.
Yeah. We'll know in a few minutes. Okay.
So all right, let's go to the stove.
Let's get started.
Okay. Okay, we're adding a little bit of water, not much, just enough to cover the rice. And then when it's gone, then we're gonna start with the milk. Okay, so right now the water is pretty much almost gone. So now it's time to add our milk. And now I'm gonna add like a good 2 cups, cup and a half to 2 cups. Just cover it after, and we'll keep an eye on this and see how it's cooking, and then we're gonna add the other milk, the sweet one and the condensed, evaporated. So we're gonna cover it again. Okay, so now part of the milk is almost gone, so now we're going to add the evaporated milk. And we're gonna let it cook again a little bit more. It's still not soft enough. The sweet one, we do it at the end because if you put the sugar in it, then the rice will not cook. It'll stay hard. So we're gonna wait. Okay, so I tasted the rice and it's pretty much cooked. So now we're gonna add the sweet milk. And we are adding also the cranberries, about a cup. And we're just gonna let it heat through. And it's pretty much done. It looks so good.
Smelled amazing.
Okay, so we'll show you in a little bit once we serve ourselves.
Very nice.
Yes.
Wow.
Smells so good.
Yeah, no, you did a great job putting it all together, and wow,
Yes.
this looks amazing. Can we try it?
No.
Yes.
It's
I
just
mean,
for
it looks so
looks.
pretty, but yeah, there's nothing like trying it
So
out.
nice and creamy.
Wow.
This brings me childhood.
Oh yeah, you know, the coconut milk. You know, it tastes a little better, but not a whole lot.
No, not at all.
But
It just made it creamier, I feel like it,
Yeah.
right?
Oh, this is very delicious. Cranberries.
Very
everything.
delicious. And the cranberries is another flavor to this. I can eat this whole bowl by myself right now.
I'm sure you will. Well, thank you for sticking with us.
Yes. So thank you for watching on this video, and we will see you on the next time with some other surprise, hopefully. All right. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you.